Da, 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 Mr. K online.
Hi, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about fact families. Now, what are fact families? Well, fact families are basically set up where you have normally three numbers, and you have, in this case, for today's discussion, a takeaway and a add symbol. So let's do that. So let's get three numbers: 2, 4, and 6. And remember, I said you've got two symbols, math symbols, and in this case, they are add and take away. So from this, also, sorry, I forgot importantly, equals. So from this, we've got to make up 4 equations or 4 number sentences. All of them have to be different. So, in some way, normally in the order of the numbers and also the symbols that are used. So let's make our first one. 4 plus or add 2 equals 6. There we go. There's our first one. But we can do something here and change around the numbers in this number sentence. So what we could do is 2 add 4 equals 6. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So 4 plus 2 equals 6 makes sense. 2 plus 4 equals 6 makes sense. But could I write 6 plus 2 equals 4? Well, no, you couldn't, because it doesn't make sense, because 6 plus 2 actually equals 8. So that wouldn't make sense. So there we have it. We've got 2 equations or number sentences already when we have to make 4. Now, we still haven't used our subtraction or takeaway symbol. So in this case, what we could do is we could make a number sentence using this. But for making number sentences with the subtract sign, you normally have to have the largest number to your far left, or it should be the first number you start with. The biggest number is always at the start of a subtraction or takeaway number sentence. So here we go. 6 take away. So I've used that. We're not using plus this time or add. So 6 take away 2 equals, our other number that's left over. There you go. 6 take away 2 equals 4. Is that correct? Does that make sense? Yes, it does, because that is true. 6 take away 2 does equal 4. Now, let's try and make one more subtraction or takeaway number sentence. Once again, we start with the biggest number to your left. And we're going to now take away, this time, 4 instead. And the answer is 2. So 6 take away 4 is 2. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. So that's another equation we could use. Now, with fact families, when it comes to plus and take away or add and take away, you're only going to get 4 different number sentences out of it. So, yeah, don't beat yourself up if you can't get more than 4, because there is only 4 with plus or add and take away equals and 3 numbers. Okay, that was fact families.